Today in the Joy of Cooking, I'll be showing you all how to make Zeera biscuits. Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar. And our today's recipe is Zeera biscuits. Incredibly easy and amazingly tasty recipe. We require 1 cup flour, maida, half cup butter at room temperature, 1/4 cup sugar, salt 1/4 teaspoon, zeera, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon and milk about 2 to 3 tablespoons. So first in a pan I will take the zeera or the cumin seeds and we are going to dry roast them till they become light golden brown in color. It's ready. Keep it aside. In a mixing bowl I will take the butter. It's half cup of butter which is at the room temperature. To it I will add granulated sugar 1/4 cup and then we are going to blend it with the help of the hand blender. If you don't have this, you may use a normal whisk and keep beating it and blending it. We're going to scrape the bowl after about 5 to 7 minutes so that it combines well nicely, and keep beating it till it becomes nice and creamy. So with the help of the normal whisk you may do it or use a hand blender. This is the electric blender and beat it nicely. You'll see the texture has become nice and creamy. Combine it well and then add the maida to it. 1 cup of maida or refined flour. To this I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then add the cumin seeds. So half tablespoon of cumin seeds. And then beat it again. Whisk it or combine it well. On low speed. And once it's combined, with the help of the spatula we are going to combine everything well again. Scrape the bowl and again beat it. Now at this point I am going to add milk so that it will form into a dough. So you may require about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk or even 4 tablespoons depending on the quality of the flour that you're using. But it must come together. We don't want to knead a dough, but the mixture should come together like this. Perfect. Now on a plain surface we'll dust some flour, maida and then take our cookie mixture. We're going to roll it out evenly, not too thick and not too thin, into a round shape, a flat disc like. Make sure it's evenly rolled out. It's very important. Otherwise we won't get a proper shape of all the cookies or the biscuits that we are making. You'll see it's perfectly rolled out from all the sides. Now with the help of the cookie cutter I have the star shape. We are going to cut the cookies or the biscuits. You may also cut them with the help of the knife into square shapes. Perfect. Transfer them into a baking tray. Be very careful. So we'll get about 34 to 36 biscuits, medium sized biscuits, star shaped, out of the 1 cup dough. Then we are going to bake these cookies in a preheated oven. I am using convection at 180 degrees Celsius. So preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and then bake them for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to reduce the temperature to 170 degrees and bake for another 10 minutes. So total time required is about 20 minutes, and you will see they will become nice golden brown from the outside. Perfect. Remove them on a wire rack and let them cool down completely at room temperature, and then you're ready to go. Transfer them into airtight container, and that's it. Our Zeera biscuits are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking, hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned. Also share your recreations and your recipe photos with me with the hashtag _ The Joy of Cooking. I'll see you next time with some more exciting video recipes. Bye bye.